Hi! So, mawata na ko nila tanan. So, today is Monday, April 14, 2025. And hapit na ako man ang klase. And I'm gonna ask everyone on sa ilang message for their future self.
Ito man yung message yung future self.
Doy! I hope ganang kuha na ka. I hope nurse na ka and ganang maybe na naka sa America today or asa ka nga lugar. I'm proud of you, girl. Da, ikaw. Okay, so here's Anton. I'm gonna ask him on sa message sa yung future self.
Oh my God, so okay ba sa ako na nako? Unta nga stable na yung kinabuhi. Anya happy kasi magpili nga career, and I hope kanang you made your parents happy, proud. Kanang unta wala kas Pinas.
Hello, my name is Rafael Inigo, and I am a grade 12 STEM student from CIT. My message to my future self is that never procrastinate because it will really affect your future. Like, for example, me right now, I'm struggling with research because fine. Never procrastinate because it will entirely affect the aspects of your life, not just
You're a fireman now. Ano po? Again. 1, 2, 3.
wherever your course or your life takes you. It's either a fireman, navy, or a policeman. Whatever makes you comfortable. Okay? You could be a lawyer. Ano? Maita. I hope you'll be a lawyer after. Postgraduate. 4 year.
Thank you. Hi!
Tarong please, bubuan lang. Dali, ma'am. Dali na.
Buhay pa ka?
Ano nga, uy?
Tama ito.
Ano nga ba?
Pila na hagbong.
Ha? Tarong nga.
Pila na hagbong nga. Pila na hagbong nga unit. Pila yan na hagbong nga unit.
Ikaw, what is your message for your future self?
Name
No.
sa.
My name is Ayun, wala ako sa nag-game.
What message for your
I
future
message.
self?
Kuan. Buhay pa ba?
At sorry ko.
Matthew Luis Elmones, fuck you. That's all. Thank you. I'm sorry that you're miserable because of me. Thank you. That's all.
What is your message for your future self?
My message for my future self kay keep going no matter what happened, and no matter kanang kung sa kalisod ang mahitabo sa future kanang keep going lang. Ora.
Thank you so much. Yun! Your music. Ay, sa pangilog na eh. What is your, mana siya? Mana siya? What is your message for your future self? Mana si Raf? Name first.
I'm Prince. Amen na. Kung sa abotin mo sa
Manako.
balik ka kay
Sige na.
Magsorry ame, di ba? Interview.
You're on your own.
Kasi masutese mong future miss.
Huh?
State your name.
This is our advisor.
What was that for, man?
For 10 years ago.
For memories, training miss. What is your message for us?
For
Mubo lang, miss ha?
Uy,
Mubo lang.
tapos lang.
Hala?
Sige na, kasi yung message na mo, miss.
Oh my God. Saan ko na ako?
Mo na kung pinakakaan kaya student bitaw. Ay naman ang prince video. Yeah.
Mrs. Kiso?
Unsa man ako ingon?
Short message.
What is it, Ani? Nani naman, Ani di ay. Loyalty. Seryoso dyan ni?
Yes. Ala, senior na pa. Dali ka lang tanong.
Kabati sa doon. Hindi.
Ano, dili ka, sugot ka na kang mga senior.
Mga, 70 years from now.
Sige.
Loyalty. Wala kay? Wala lang.
Good luck.
Good luck. God bless. Wala. Ano ba ko ingon, oy?
Something sweet, miss.
Something sweet, yes. With our loyalty, I always wish you all the best, of course. I'm very proud of all the achievements that you had every step of the way. You can always
call me. Basta magmata lang ko, I will reply. And hopefully that you will become more responsible. You will now go to college, and college life is way different from being a senior high school student. Ang inyong reklamo nga way tulog kay 5 hours lang sleep. When you go to college, you will have no sleep. And it will be very challenging. However, if you're a person who have all the goals and ambitions and motivation that you want to achieve in life, so begin na alam kayo nako. Yeah, so bitaw oy, ano good, be a person with goals and be consistent. Yes, because consistency with patience and prayers and goals, ma-achieve dyan ninyo guys. You might not bloom now, but sooner or later, you will have your time. Yes. And I cannot wait to see you become engineers, pilots, you become nurses, doctors, yes. And hopefully when we meet and see each other in the bridge, say hi, you will not duko-duko, and you will not be shy. No, nagpaparinig yun. Oh. Yes, and even though you are called prince, you stay humble. Yes, be humble because people who are humble will have along the way. Huh?
So, ang question is, kuan miss, kinsa like most pa ka ng may sige participate sa imong class?
Syempre, very obvious ba na, or it's not being biased. My three musketeers. We have the president, the other one here, and then we have Mativo. Yes, so we have Jimena, Magto, and Mativo. Yes. How about the ladies? For the ladies, oy, time na!
Short message, grabe naman.
Yeah, and for the ladies, I have Cervantes, I have Casinillo with all the matching like this. Yes, I have Rachel, Paz. Yeah, they are my very participative and the ones that I can rely on in this section because mas mahadlok sila kaysa nako. Wala lang. And I thank everybody. Oh, sige. Of course, number one. This one in my con arts time. Draw late. Yes. People change. Bitaw, no? And MIL. Yes, that's great. Hindi na siya man-late man. Wala na kabantay. Sa akong klase di ay, before, always. Most of the time. Yes. Dili ko kaingon kay we don't have 7:30 class man. So I cannot. Con arts, no, nag-memory gap na ko mga aban. I think no, always. Badlongon, of course, katong boys, always ako i-call out. Kaya they talk, they don't listen, you know. Yes. Nakapalusupo ka niya eh. Yeah. Sige na, oy. I-edit mo ka ng...
Yes, thank you so much. Wala ko na siya ma-message. Anak ko?
Everyone, let's start our reporting.
Later, we'll be back. We'll be back kay mag-reporting pa me. Amerikano ka?
No.
Later na lang ha, we'll be back. What is your message for your future self?
I just okay. Right now I'm so haggard. I don't know. Maybe I'll retake this, you know. But so hi guys, my name is Hilary Kishati Casinelio, and I am 17 years old right now, and like next month is my birthday. I'm turning 18. Yeah, and my message to my future self is I hope that take two guys. So hi. Okay, balik. 1, 2, 3, go. Hi guys, I hope that I'll be okay, stable na kung kuan, kanang ma-figure out na nako akong kuan, akong shit sa life, especially my love life, especially but yeah, I'm gonna wait till marriage, guys. I hope no, I used to Then, the grade 12, yaway ko kay tungo sa kumbaga GBF. I hope sa future, ka dili na ko GBF. Okay, bye guys. Sana hindi ka na GBF and I hope that your ass is still fat. I hope your ass is still fat. Bye guys.
Kwan, ambot lang. I don't have any message for my future self because I'm just go with the flow and go, go, go! I'm Aubrey, by the way. That's 1 minute. See you next month. Wala, oy, putang ina. Fuck him and fuck everyone. Tungod na sa iyang uyab. Dili na tungo sa life. Ikaw. What is your message for your future self? Balik ko na lang, tika.
Iki ka na.
Pwede anonymous. Ano lang. Picture lang.
Hi, ako si Kuan.
Hi, ako Daisy. Anonymous? Inuputo na na po. Si Shupa lang. Yeah. Ayaw mo tuon ni Hillary ng 50k nga V-card de surrender kaya pustahan na kaya ako rin bayad na datadatahan ko na inyong V-card. Manawagan. Oh, nakita na ko lang. Dili na na siya kan. Yan na, bibalik. Ay, ibalik din para ko sa... Nya, kanang kuhan. Manaday, unya na lang. Unya na uban na. Ay, katulo. Data lang. Ikaw, what is your message for your future self po?
Wala ko'y message man. Tain na ni. Kuan, Christian Ives B. Catalonia. Kuan, I hope you're successful and kuan. Ay, may ta successful ka niya. Happy po niya kanang kontento kas. Maybe. Pohon. Oh. I'll go.
What is your message for your future self? What is your message for your future self?
Oh, mic check.
Muna si Amir, wala siya yung message sa yung future self. Yung tapad kay si Kwe. Si Kwe na yung tapad, mga way message sa future self.
Message. For your future self. Future drug lord. Say your name first.
My name is Kent Lawrence Dendon, and my message for my future self is kanang kaya rata ni matataw rata pohon. Mora, that's all. Thank you.
Hi guys, Mike Aldwin Quay right here. My message for my future self is si Sam Musikliton kabagay pag grade 12.
I am Kurt Amir Quadro. May message for my future self. Kay di na ako malimtan si Clayton kay di kay mao mulik kay og bagay ya si Sam kay gilabayan og wala gilabayan. Og si Clayton kay na black eye. Og si Sam kay namuha ang o. Oh, gani. Kani mo ni lindot nga observation of acknowledgement.
Hello, my name is Jared Salazar. My future self, I want to be I hope makakuan ko. have a happy family and have a better work and or business. Oh, ang ha? Aliyah. Oh yeah, Shane, I'll kain.
I'm Rachel Alexa Shazley Bertosio Sanchez. Then, ako message ako. Okay, magtarong og eskwela. Makahuman. Mo travel. Dayon. Ikaw man og-travel, kaya pwede na akong manganak. Di, maganak ni Azaiza. Kaya legal naman may karon. Oh, kasawa na may ika-graduate na mo. Introduce your name and message for your future self.
I'm Craig Luis Walgar and ang akong masulti sa akong future self is keep going no matter how hard life is.
Pila sa dang bayad anang tupiha?
Ha?
Ikon sa na to, ipakita na. Sige. Pila sa bayaran na, sir?
Why? 150
Sa asa po?
sa Robinson sa Tabunok sa cuts and tips.
So guys, kung ganahan mo ani nga hairstyle, ayaw ta reduce the RJ. State your name and message to your future self.
I'll message akong self kay. My name is Relio Rosales and my message to myself is I hope na ako is RF 450R.
Sige. Kinsa man namang wish na kanang pasahero ang passenger princess?
Pasahero. wala. Ha? Wala din.
Sa kadugay na to nag-eskwela guys, Rogelio, day na din na Rogelio.
Yes.
Yes. Sige. Ikaw, Marquez, state your name and message to your future self.
To my future self?
Your name.
Yeah. My name is Francis Bilby Marquez. Yeah. A message to my future self. Padayan sa imong kinabuhi kay wata kay ba mo unsa ka?
Okay, nga padayon man.
Ha?
Anong padayon man?
Ngano padayon man? Iwan lang kita kay mo.
Jared, balik. Balik na Jared. Muna, asawa na ko ng sila, Lia.
What is your message for your future self? Pwede na ka mo talikod.
Kaya Asa to?
State your name. What is your message for your future self? Pwede rin mo saya.
I'm Kesley Mateo Marpito and
Talikod ka.
ang sulti na ako sa puhon akong kagalingon kay may busbugwa po ka. joke lang. Walang mas bali pa yun ang kay boy inig puhon. Maura. Bundo.
State your name. What is your message for your future self? Any question about the PT?
So, yung messaging nga.
Wala ko message.
Saman.
Sa rin message yung gagalingon nito.
Kon. I'm Joseph Lamar of Nobleza.
Magani.
I'm Joseph Lamar of Nobleza. My message for my future self kay Kwan.
Hindi magbinayot.
Kanang mas successful niya. Kwan. Ma-achieve na ko akong ganan nga physique din. Kwan. Bakwan.
Nakuha ang notes.
Have a bright future. Nana.
Ikaw, pabando.
Wala eh.
Italy na, kasayaan lang. Manamigan na.
I'm Kurt nga. Ang message na ako sa future self is padayon na pag-standby.
Ano mo kay Mike?
Ako, Josh Binzabang din day. Nga ako message sa computer self kay padayon lang. Idayon ako kan. Mato ka Japan.
Hello, state state your name and your message for your future self. Pwede na mo Bisayaon.
Okay. I am Chris Lawrence Kamay. O kabaon sa akong future.
Allah!
Hi.
Message ba?
Ah.
Message.
I hope makaya na ko. Hopefully, makaya. Yeah.
Zurich.
I'm Clive Anderson Layam. Pilot ka pohon, bay. I am Jose Alvarico and I hope you achieve in becoming a better and successful person unlike me today.
Lloyd.
Your message for your future.
I have reached. I have someone by third year.
Kanang. My name is Luis Gabriel de Tayo, 19 years old, taga Minglanilla.
20 na ko?
Dili, 15. Uy, 10 pa man na. Gianak ni Flora Meditayo, anak ni Pitasio, taga Minglanilla, taga Bantayan ng probinsya. Sa future self, may mo nakagdag dili ay. May mo agsiman loloko. Every naog sa barko, every kuan, dapat lahi mong taste. Mo na. Ya, may ta dili na ko. May ta marriage bait na si Josh.
Salamat.
Salamat.
I'm Hannah Bless Satu Kalupe from 12 Loyalty. My message for myself. I hope you're doing well and you achieve your dreams in life and be successful. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm Alfonso Seven Chavez, and in the future, may tagpasan ko sa DOST. Future, pila ka years?
I hope engineer na po ro.
I hope wala ko'y bagsakuro.
Lamig mo.
Iyatang hope kay magkasila ni Aya Pohon.
Hi, I'm Prince. And wish me luck in the future. And may tagnan ako sa travel ako bisan nasa.
I am Marina Luis Española, and my message to my future self is stay positive and be successful. Thank you.
What is your name and your message for your future self?
Mana siya?
Ay, Amelia Megalabi Unara.
Message your future self, marry the people.
Yeah. Ibote mo future self. For your future self. Katara.
I'm Chris Ray, and the day today is 10 o'clock. And as I'm
10 o'clock. The date today is 10 o'clock.
It's April 28th. So my future self, dear myself, I wish you all the best.
Hello, my name is Henry Escobar-Diaz. My message to my future self is to start a business career, especially computer shops like that.
Yeah, my name is
Ingon ba?
Elagison.
What is your message to your future self?
My message to myself is
Ay,
be a
sabaw.
better person and be kind always. Peace.
What is your name?
Anaya,
What is your message to your future self?
Madato.
Hello, what is your name?
John Bernal Biantigina.
What is your message to your future self?
Sige ka po, Kating. Kay na. Piloto nga si Kating.
Hi, Angel. My message to my future self is do your best, and for all the challenges that you will face, just do not forget to smile and pray.
Thank you. Hi, what's your
Kurt.
What is your message to your future self?
Be kind and never give up.
Hi, what's your name?
Like you.
What is your message to your future self? Self, huh?
Your future wife. Be a great father.
Good. Hi, what's your name?
TJ po.
What's your message to your future self?
Don't push yourself too hard and be yourself always.
Ikaw, what's your name?
Julia,
What's your message to your future self?
graduate lang.
What's your name?
Tyron.
What's
Your message to your future self?
Bahalag gamay og grado basta makagraduate.
Ikaw, what's your name?
Card Chrysler kang pumanis.
What's your message to your future self?
Kuntag na pa ko itagang babae.
Taro,
Hey, makagraduate.
Unsa pa?
Kuntag pa ka human ka, mara.